Hi, this is Joy at Pine Quilt Shop. This morning we're talking about backing larger projects like the throw quilt that's hanging behind me. So you have the two options when you're backing projects like this. You can run horizontal backing strips, so I could run 2 horizontal strips, or I could run vertical strips. So I always look at how long the quilt is. Typically with regular 44-inch wide cotton goods, you're going to have about 42 usable inches. So if I can take a horizontal strip that's 42 inches, another horizontal strip that's 42 inches, I'm going to have about 83 inches after I sew it for my back. And if that is long enough, I can do horizontal strips, and that's usually going to be the least expensive way to do my backing. If it's longer than that though, then I need to run vertical strips. So my size on this quilt top was 62 by 74 inches. I'm going to add 6 to 8 inches to that because I want to allow 3 to 4 inches all the way around the quilt for my long armor to mount it in her frame. So I would add 8 inches to 62, and that puts me at 70. And I would add 8 inches to the 74-inch length, and that puts me at 82. So I can make it with 2 horizontal strips. So I would take 70 inches times 2 is 140. Divide that by my 36-inch amount in a yard to convert it to yardage, and it comes out at 3.89 yards. So basically 4 yards of fabric to back this little quilt, and that's how to do the calculation. Always add 6 to 8 inches to your original quilt size, and then figure out how many strips you'll need.